Hey, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pancit canton guisado. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I have a pork stock here, and then pancit canton, oyster sauce, soy sauce, salt, and then black pepper, shrimp. I already cooked the shrimp, and then the liver I cooked already 98%, and then carrots, sayote, garlic, bell pepper, onions, and then also the pork I already cooked, and then the cabbage. Saute the garlic, or you can put also egg of this one, but there's no need for me. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then guys, the pork. So as I said earlier that I already boiled this pork, so it's already cooked. Okay, I'm gonna add a little soy sauce of this one. Okay, not too much. I'm gonna add a little patis also. More soy sauce so that it becomes beautiful also like this. We're gonna add black pepper, okay, so next, we're gonna add the liver because the liver is dirty a little bad, but it's okay. Okay, so next, I'm going to add the vegetables. Okay. So I'm gonna add just a little water on Just a little so that the vegetable will cook. So the liver is not totally cooked because I did not cook it, because you know we don't need to overcook the liver. So that's why. Okay, I'm gonna cover for maybe 1 minute. Carrots and the sayuti are cooked but not but still very crunchy. So we're gonna add the oyster sauce. And then we're gonna add this bell pepper. Okay guys, and the last we're gonna add the shrimp. The shrimp is cooked already. Okay, oyster sauce. It's not salty yet. Okay. Okay guys, so this is done. So we're gonna set aside this one. Okay. Set aside. I'm gonna use this one. So, ayan. Okay. So, there's a pork cubes also. Okay. And then we're gonna let it boil. And then we're gonna put the one. So, we let it boil first. It's already boiled, so we're gonna add this one. Add the pancit canton. And then we're gonna add the cabbage. Okay, since our, how do you call that, the pancit canton is not so much, so I'm gonna pour a little. But if in case becomes dry, we're gonna put it back again. Okay. So I have only 250 grams. Okay, so, but I did not put it all because I don't want to become dry also. Because if it is dry, it's not good also. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna twist this in. So we're gonna add a little soy sauce. Yes, a little. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're gonna simmer first, and so we're gonna add the one. Maybe this is so much, so we're gonna add not so much because I thought I have a 500 grams, but it's 250. Okay. Guys, okay guys, so that's our pancit guisado. Okay, I'm gonna have a little taste here, just a little. Pancit canton guisado. And then, like that. So, look at that one, guys, ha? Our pancit canton guisado is done. Okay? Few lemon here, guys. So, okay, I'm not going to put so much on my plate because I cannot eat all. Okay? So, this is it. So, I'm gonna try to squeeze a lemon. Okay? So, it's done, guys. It's yummy. And the liver is not overcooked, as well as the shrimp. It's good. So this is it, guys, huh? Our pancit guisado. Picture here, this one. So that's our pancit guisado, guys. Okay, pancit canton guisado. Okay, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and then Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, also my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. So, to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.